approved promoting affiliate products even if a total beginner. Hi, Tommy Olsson here. So I'm going to show you now how you can get approved if you never made any sales online. Explain what you can write in your request when you want to promote an offer. So here's a page with all kind of different offers, and let's say we want to promote this product secret email system. Then we just click. Here you will see different information about the product that you can read through before requesting approval. So if you feel like this is a good product and you want to request approval, you just here. Hi, and then enter your name. Name is Tommy Olsson, and I would love to promote your product. And if you haven't made that many sales yet or no sales, you can, for instance, if you follow a successful marketer's training, you can mention that, and that may motivate them to approve you. And after you have written that, you need to say how you're going to approve it, if you're going to use it on promote it on social media, blogs or lists or whatever. But I can write here, I have not made that many sales here yet, but I'm a student of Michael that is just an example, and you can say that I continue to follow his or her training to learn more about marketing. Then you can, another thing you can write if you want is that they can put 8 commission and so on. And if you want, you can enter your Facebook profile URL so they can connect with you. But the key here is that you should not just request one offer to promote, because to increase your chance of get request several offers, because that's faster than if you just choose one offer to promote, and then you can get started earlier. I hope you like the tips I've shared here. Another thing, when you have made quite a lot of sales on Warrior Plus, you will be instantly and automatically approved to promote different offers, but that takes quite a lot of sales, but it's possible. Would you be interested in a free ebook about blogging, how you can rank your content on the top of the search engines using just free methods and step-by-step instructions how to make money from a blog? Then click the link below for your free copy. Thanks so much for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye bye.